Hey, welcome back. I'm Rene.
And I'm Len.
Okay, and today we're gonna be talking about like what to do if you don't have all the funds to have your roof repairs done, right?
Yes,
Right, Len?
absolutely. We're going to talk about financing, right?
Yeah, we're gonna be talking about the way we finance our customers. Okay, Len, can you explain us a little bit like how we can help? We still can help people to get their repairs done, even if they don't have all the funds to support the repairs.
Absolutely. I'm always surprised because we'll get a phone call from a customer. We get out to the house. The interior ceilings are ruined. The roof has been leaking for a long time. And my first question is, why did you wait so long? And they normally say, what?
They don't have the money.
Didn't have any money.
Yes.
And I think that's heartbreaking because there are so many great programs out there. When we come out to your house, whether it's me, Renee, one of our other project managers, we have a variety of financing options from 0% financing all the way up, right? Based on your credit worthiness. But the way it works with us is we'll come to your place. If you want financing, we'll put all your information in, and literally it's instant financing. And we will, for example, one of our partners is Hearth Financing. Hearth
Yeah.
Financing. We will get you financed immediately,
Yeah,
right?
and not even that. Even if you don't want to spend all your, all the money from your savings account, if you have a 0% option, I think that is a good option, right? To get, just use the money and then pay over the time.
Exactly. Why use your money? Use their money for free,
Yeah, if
right?
that's free, I mean that's great. That is an option, you know, 100% I can consider and use it.
Yeah. If you qualify for 0% financing, why wouldn't you, if you had a $12,000 roof, why wouldn't you take somebody else's money, put your roof on, use your money to do whatever you want to use your money for?
Exactly.
And when the time comes, then just pay it off and keep moving.
Yeah, maybe you can invest your money, to
Yeah, exactly.
generate some
Maybe you
money.
can- yeah, maybe you can double your money somewhere else.
Yeah.
Right, and come back and pay for your roof and still have money left in your pocket. I mean, financing is really the way to go nowadays. I mean, gone are the days where you have to save up until it's time to put your roof on. A roof is something that cannot wait for you to get your money together. Because every time it rains out, guess what? You've got water coming in your house.
Yeah, and that is something is gonna be expanded the budget, right? Like the
Yeah.
expenses is gonna be bigger and bigger and bigger.
We will send a link to our finance department to your phone, and literally within 5 minutes,
5 minutes, yeah.
you will be
that's-
approved. We'll give you a range of options that you can choose from. And before we leave your home, you can have an approval, credit approval for your roof. We can actually have you scheduled to put your roof on. We will have selected your roofing product, and we're done. Problem solved. Financing taken care of. The guys are going to tell you how much your roof costs, which you need to know anyway, obviously, for financing purposes. And then if you have 0% financing, take your family to Disneyland and then forget about the rest, right?
What I like is about the way we work. It's not like we're gonna charge you, more money to replace the roof if you financing. Now, like our estimate, we give it to you, and then you do, straight with hard financing. You get the money from them. It's not like we're gonna just charge crazy monies for the roof.
Yeah.
That's right.
Exactly right. Our price is our price. It does
Yeah,
not.
we have a fair prices.
Yeah, it doesn't change when the wind blows, right? So if we give you a quote for your roof and we walk next door to your neighbors and they've got the exact same home, that price is not going to change. We have very uniform pricing. It's the same pricing we use customer to customer, and that's important to know, I think, for our
Yeah,
viewers.
and I'm saying this because I know sometimes when when I try to bring this to the customers, they say like, "Oh, no way, I don't want to be paying like 3 times what I should pay for my roof."
Say you apply for a loan to do your roof, but they qualify you for much more money. You qualify for much more money, then you can get new siding. You can get interior work done. You can fix that old porch on the back of the house. I mean, there's any number of other projects you can take care of with the
Yep.
loan that you secure when one of our guys come out. And we're happy to take care of all those things. We do roofing, siding, paint. If you need it done, we can get it done for you at a very fair price.
Yeah, that's correct.
But yeah, listen, if you need a new roof and you're not sure about whether you can afford it or not, don't worry. Give us a call. We'll come out. We'll get you financed, and then we're done. It takes all the stress out of the decision, right? Because why not finance your roof and make several small payments instead of trying to pay this thing off in one lump sum, right? And then you have to figure out, oh, okay, now how do I make the rest of my budget work, right? It's really tough because when your roof starts leaking, it's not on your financial schedule, right? Your roof is going to leak on its own schedule. I always say, listen, take advantage of the tools that are available to you. Financing is one of them. If you give us a call, we'll make sure that we get you into the right program for you. But in any event, I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Like and subscribe, please.